Encapsulation is used to describe a process of adding headers and trailers around some data. For example, here is what happens when you send an email using your favorite email program, such as Outlook or Thunderbird. The email is sent from the application layer to the transport layer. The transport layer encapsulates the data and adds its own header with its own information, such as which port will be used, and passes the data to the Internet layer. The Internet layer encapsulates the received data and adds its own header, usually with information about the source and destination IP addresses. The Internet layer then passes the data to the network access layer. The network access layer is the only layer that adds both a header and a trailer. The data is then sent through a physical network link. Data encapsulation doesn't begin until a packet reaches layer 4. The transport layer. After that, the remaining layers add corresponding information to the packet, enabling it to travel through the system. Decapsulation moves in the reverse order, from layer 1 to layer 7 in the OSI model, as the packet travels to the receiving computer. Physical layer. This is the lowest layer that manages the electrical signals of a network device in use. The physical layer adds the bit sequence that marks the beginning of the packet and the trailer. Data link layer. The link layer manages the interaction across the local network between the sending and receiving systems. In encapsulation, it adds the local destination address to the header. Network layer. The network layer routes the packet across the network. It encapsulates the packet with the Internet address header. Transport layer. Some transport protocols, such as Transmission Control Protocol (TCP), guarantee that all packets reach their destination. Other transport protocols do not guarantee delivery, such as User Datagram Protocol (UDP). Transport protocols add byte counts to headers. Session layer. The session layer manages the flow of information between systems. It provides information about how the information is allowed to flow throughout the system. Presentation layer. The presentation layer modifies the information to a form an application can use. It provides information about data formats. Application layer. As the highest layer, the application layer interacts with the end device.